One of the hardest things about getting a used car, especially in a private sale, is the lack of information about the vehicle's history. If you're interested in finding out the accident or maintenance history of a car you just bought, try looking for the previous owner's insurance records. This information can be a little tricky to get a hold of, so let's go over the steps. First, you'll need to have your car's VIN or vehicle identification number on hand to look for its previous insurance record. You can find it on the driver's side dashboard, a placard on the door pillar, or the car's title. An easy way to find out your vehicle's history is to purchase a report from an online company like CARFAX or AutoCheck. You'll want to check your car's history for any changes to its status or title. Red flags include the term salvage, gaps in mileage reporting, or a history of collisions. You can also reach out to the DMV directly to find out who insured the car previously and hopefully get the policy number. You won't need to give the previous owner's personal information, just the car's VIN. You'll also need to ask for a duplicate of title transfer form, which will cost you a small fee. You can then use the form to contact the previous insurance company to find out more about the car. Finally, you can try reaching out to the previous owner directly if you know who it is. Don't pry too much. Just tell them that you need a little more information for your car's insurance policy and you need to know the previous policy number. If you bought the car from a dealership, they'll be able to provide you with this information. Upon finding the previous insurance record of your car, if you realize it has a bad accident history or a record of faulty parts, you're going to need to do a little more work to keep it in tip-top shape. Be sure to go in for all your scheduled tune-ups and inspections. Consider adding some aftermarket safety parts to the car so you can bolster your peace of mind and maybe qualify for an insurance discount. For more information about used cars, car insurance, and more, go to getjerry.com.